Chef Ricardo and Caribbean Gateway Show. Is amazing to be straight in at the studio and Caribbean Gateway Show, guys. It is amazing. Anyway, what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do a lovely pan fried steak. It's gonna go with some salad. You don't have to have it with salad, you know. You can have it with whatever you like to have it with, but I feel like it go with some salad. Sometimes you might take the evening a little bit more, you know. So what I'm going to do now, guys, first of all, you need to get a nice lovely fat chunky piece of a steak, really nice. The lean part, the nice bit there. Come on, I'm gonna show you exactly. Alright, second thing I want to say to you guys, I have a little bit of beef season right here, which I'm going to be popping on it like this. Most people just do steak with pepper and salt, you know what I mean? We are from the Caribbean, we normally season up our meat the right and proper way. So alright, that's some beef, some meat season, some beef season, and this is some everyday season. I'm gonna put on a little bit of the everyday season on it, just like this. That's a little pinch of both of the season. Alright, this is some all-purpose season. I'm just gonna pop a little pinch of the all-purpose season on it like this, and it's good to go. Alright guys, as you can see exactly. Second thing, I have 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to be chopping up very finely. Now 1 clove of garlic is going to be enough. So cut up a clove of garlic, put it straight on it like that. I got spring onion, nice one, and that's going to bring in a lovely flavor to the steak. Second thing is I have some red onion. I'm gonna be using just a little piece of a red onion, guys, to bring in a lovely flavor to it. Nice and lovely. Look at that. That is so beautiful already, and we don't even start to do anything as yet. Alright, so basically, as you can see exactly what's going on right here. Start to marinate it up. Now what we're going to do is pop a little bit of oil, not too much, just a little tiny bit of oil on it. And we're just gonna simply rub it the steak just like this and just like this. Marinate it up. Get it marinated. Alright guys, look at that. That is lovely and nice. See that? So what I'm going to do now, in this frying pan, I don't need to put no oil because I already have oil on the steak, alright? So what I'm going to do, second thing, I must say I have my pot about 2 to 3 seconds now, so it's a little bit hot. So I'm going to just pop my steak in it like this. You hear that nice lovely frying? That's exactly what I'm looking for. So I will be frying this off for about at least 6 to 7 minutes from both sides. I'm gonna turn it. Oh, you're gonna be amazing. Nice one. To the other side, just like this. And the steak looking so lovely and nice. So basically, the steak so finished now, guys. The steak is amazing. Really nice. Lovely. So I have some more red onion. What I'm going to do is simple. Cut up my rest of red onion. And I'm gonna pop it straight inside of it like this. The only reason why I'm putting the rest of the red onion, guys, because red onion normally goes well with steak. Yeah? Really nice and lovely. See this? Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Really nice. Yes, looking so lovely and nice, and hopefully you will love this one, and please enjoy the recipe, guys. This is amazing. Steak is finished and I'm gonna turn off my stove. Really nice and lovely recipe and very simple and effective, guys. So listen, this is how we're going to do it. Earlier I did some salad earlier. This is some olive and rocket mixed leaf salad. So what I'm going to do is to get my steak. Either two things, you can either leave it all up, juicy steak, man. You can either leave it all up, or you could ever just simple cut it into half. But now I'm just gonna be leaving it all up for now because it's a lovely steak and I love my steak. What I'm going to do, simple, get some mixed leaf, and this recipe, guys, is just a simple little recipe. You don't need to do anything too heavy. You know what I mean? The more salad you're going to have with the steak is better for you. I say to you, this is what happened right here. Thank you. Lovely and nice. Look at the steak and the salad. It is fantastic. Remember, Chef Ricardo, we have a lot to show. We have a lot of recipe, a lot of ideas will be coming on Caribbean Gateway Show, guys. We love you. And listen, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. You know what happened? Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. This recipe is very simple and you can have this anytime. Enjoy it. And I will see you again on Caribbean Gateway Show. Bye-bye.